It's Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 Mazda BT-50 dual cab XT, stock reference number 3983. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with aftermarket 16-inch black alloy King wheels. They all have no rash and all have good tyres. Left power door mirror, left side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear door appears to have no damage. It has an aftermarket Litre steel tray with a rear ladder rack. Paint code 42S. Supplied with all bolts, lights and as you see it. Factory fitted tow bar, 3.5 tonne rated. Supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, neck and module. Right rear 16-inch aftermarket King alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right power door mirror. And the right front 16-inch aftermarket alloy King mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 4-wheel drive type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls. It's got an aftermarket Alpine touchscreen sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster. This vehicle hasn't even done 10,000 kilometers, and a 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.